Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to fix the Facebook app if it keeps crashing on your iPhone or Android device. First of all, start with the simple restart. Many crashes are caused by temporary glitches that clear up after rebooting your device. Then what you're gonna do is update your Facebook app. Go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store. Then search for Facebook. Then see if there's an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, what you're gonna do is open your settings app and then go to search and then search for iPhone storage or storage. Then scroll down and click on the option of Facebook and then click on the option of offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keeps its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, what you're gonna do is go ahead and delete and reinstall the Facebook app from your phone. Then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. These steps will help you on using your Facebook app again smooth and running. If it will, then do not forget to leave a like and comment on this video, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys